2026 Suzuki RM250 is here, and it's ready to take the motocross world by storm. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer to the dirt bike scene, this machine promises to deliver an experience like no other. In a market filled with fierce competition, Suzuki has taken the classic and revamped it with cutting-edge technology and design, making it more powerful, responsive, and comfortable than ever before. Features that make the 2026 Suzuki RM250 stand out. First, the engine. This two-stroke powerhouse has been fine-tuned to deliver exceptional throttle response and plenty of raw power. The 249cc engine is designed for maximum efficiency, giving riders a smoother ride without compromising on performance. Suzuki has incorporated a new exhaust system that enhances power delivery while minimizing exhaust emissions, making the RM250 not only powerful, but also more eco-friendly than its predecessors. The bike's fuel system has also been upgraded, with a more precise fuel injection system that improves throttle, response, and overall efficiency. The range of the RM250 has seen significant improvements as well. With a refined suspension system, the bike is capable of tackling any track, from rough and rugged to smooth and technical. The Showa suspension front and rear provides an incredibly stable ride, absorbing jumps and bumps with ease. The bike feels balanced and well-suited to both beginners and experienced riders who crave a high-performance ride. Its range also includes better handling in all conditions, with the lightweight frame allowing for greater maneuverability, helping you push through corners and keep control at high speeds. In terms of design, the 2026 RM250 is a visual masterpiece. The sleek, aggressive lines give it a modern look, while maintaining the iconic Suzuki styling. The bodywork has been streamlined for aerodynamics, reducing drag and improving top speed. The new graphics package adds an extra layer of flair, giving it a fresh look that sets it apart from its competition. And while the design is certainly eye-catching, it's built for practicality. Durable, lightweight materials ensure the bike is tough enough to handle the roughest terrains without adding unnecessary weight. Performance is where the Suzuki RM250 truly shines. With an optimized power band and sharp handling, this bike can take on tight corners, massive jumps, and high-speed straights with confidence. The lightweight chassis, combined with the smooth power delivery, allows for effortless control, helping you stay ahead of the pack in any race. Whether you're racing professionally or just hitting the trails for fun, the RM250 provides exceptional traction and stability, making it a go-to choice for riders who demand speed and agility.